In this video, I'm gonna give you the 5 steps that you can take right now to become a 6-figure digital closer. Let's get it. What's up, y'all? My name is Jack. I'm the owner of Sumner Social. We do 6 figures plus a month, on our way to 7. And I make these videos to document my knowledge, my experiences. And I don't pretend to know everything, I just know what I know. And over the next weeks, months, and years, I expect to grow. And I hope you can get something of value and join me in the growth as well. So let's start with this. A lot of y'all hear me talking about digital closing, what is it? A lot of you know, some of you don't. Digital closing is where you're gonna partner with a business or an entrepreneur or a company that sells a high-ticket product or service. You, as the digital closer, are gonna call leads, you're gonna hop on Zoom calls, and you're gonna sell that product or service, and in return, the company is gonna pay you massive commission check. What's crazy is you can literally do this from anywhere using your laptop and your cell phone. And right now in this video, I'm gonna give you the 5-step process that you should follow if you wanna be a successful digital closer. Step 1, you need to find a niche. I hear people say it all the time. Just go find the highest offer that you can sell in a company that is reputable and go do it. Though that is great advice, we all want to sell something that's very expensive, and we also want to sell something that's reputable. Always make sure you find a reputable company. But what most people miss on is finding something that they're passionate about and something that they care about. If you're selling something that you're super passionate about, you believe in, you care about, it's gonna sell a lot easier, 100 times better than trying to force yourself to believe or even like a product or service. So find a segment of the market that you can service. We all have like a Rolodex of experiences that we've learned in our life, and I guarantee you that you're very good or you have a lot of knowledge in a few certain sectors. Write that down, and that is a good place to start when deciding on a niche. Now, do not let a niche hold you up. It's not to pinhole you down, it's not to keep you there for the next 5 years, but it's to get you started and get you focused. Do not let starting the journey of a digital closer be slowed down by choosing a niche. Just choose one and go. Even if you're not 100% sure, start out in the process. Once you choose that niche, you're gonna dive in and you're gonna start learning about it. This niche is gonna set the foundation for you making 6 figures as a digital closer. Now let's move on to step 2. You gotta build an offer. Now, online companies, you wanna understand how they operate. They wanna take on as little risk as possible. So you need to take this in mind when you are trying to partner with companies and present your offer. Just like these companies have offers that they're selling to their leads, their clients, or their potential prospect, you have an offer that you're selling to that company to partner with them. And you, as a digital closer, need to understand that you need to bring in as little risk to this company as possible. The more experience you have as a digital closer, the more leverage you have and the more money you can ultimately make. So if you're just starting out, you're brand new at this, I would suggest that you go to these companies in your niches and offer to work for them for 2 weeks absolutely free. And I guarantee you, if you reach out to a few companies, you will receive an opportunity. The next step up in a good offer is working only for commission. Slightly more risk than working for absolutely nothing, but literally only working for commission. That way you only get paid if you close deals, and it's great experience for you to go out and actually start making money. Now, if you have more experience and you've closed deals before, you can go out and ask for a little bit more. You can ask for base pay plus commission. This is where you get stability, but you also get the upside of commission. And as you get better within that company and you grow, you can ask for a revenue share, profit share, maybe even equity, depending how good you are as a closer. And that leads us to step 3. You have to skill up. You have to get the tools, you have to strengthen your muscles, and you have to learn these skills of closing. And right now our channel is talking all about how to level up your skill in sales. So follow the channel, we'll be dropping a lot more specific skills on sales as well. But you have to start leveling up in your skills. And the way you do that is actually get live reps. So that's why we like to say step 3, skill up, and step 4, partner. Both of these steps are interchangeable. You should be partnering with companies as you're skilling up so you can get live rep. Most people are like, study, learn how to sell. No, you can never get better experience than actually picking up the phone and selling the offer that the business you've partnered with. If you do it this way, you can learn and you can improve as you go. You don't have to be an expert salesperson to go out and get your first job and start learning. And as you do it, and if you consistently show up with the right attitude and you learn, I guarantee you, you can get good at sales in as little as 2 weeks. It's amazing if you actually not only learn the skills, but implement it and get live reps. So let's recap. We have a niche, we have an offer, we're gonna skill up, we're gonna go out and partner with companies, partner with opportunities in our niche, and then finally we're gonna produce, and we're gonna produce at a high level. Now, let's say we've been working for a company that sells a $10,000 product. As a digital closer, you wanna make 20% commission on every deal that you close. Now, some of y'all are like, hey, that's a lot of our company's paying that out. We're currently paying out 20% commission to our digital closers if they set and they close a deal. So there's a $10,000 product, you receive 20% commission, and you wanna make $8,000 a month. So you make $2,000 every close, and as a digital closer, you need to close 4 deals every month. That's it. And as you get better, these companies that you partner with are gonna trust you to give you more warm leads. You're gonna have more opportunities. And the better your skill gets, the more this company is gonna invest back into you in the form of leads and booked appointments. All you gotta do is slam the deals, receive the commission checks, and do this from anywhere, right? Y'all, this is the way. People overlook it all the time. Start with your niche, build your offer. It's not that complicated. You want 10%? You wanna work full commission? Do you want a base pay? If you're just starting, are you willing to go in there and work for nothing just to prove your worth and get some experience? You tell me. While you're in this opportunity, while you partner with these companies, skill up, learn, grow, don't quit, keep going even when it's tough, even when 20 people hang up on you in one day, keep going. And then eventually you're gonna be able to produce, you're gonna be able to replace your 9-to-5 income and do this at a level a lot of people aren't doing it right now. Also, if you're interested in learning more about each of these segments, how do I find a good niche? Where do I find these companies to partner with? How do I build out a good offer? Hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell. We're really gonna start going hard on YouTube and providing literally everything we know about becoming a 6-figure digital closer. Guys, I enjoyed it. We'll see you on the other side. Let's go.